There's a real sense of purpose and accomplishment in everything we do.
It makes me feel really, really good knowing that our job matters so much.
It was really important to me to have a career with purpose. I'm a graduate hardware engineer at Lockheed Martin Australia.
I'm a Systems Administrator Associate for Lockheed Martin Australia. My role is to support the F-35 capability by maintaining support equipment.
Being a prestigious company in engineering and defence sector, it gives you limitless opportunities to move forward in your career.
I'm the hangar manager here at Sikorsky Australia in Nowra. We're part of the Lockheed Martin company.
I'm an aircraft maintenance engineer structures at Sikorsky. We do have our 3 trades, avionics, mechanical and structural. We do all the maintenance on the MH60 Romeos.
I've been with Sikorsky and Lockheed Martin for just over 9 years now. The company is really supportive with development opportunities to empower and encourage our new staff members.
I'm studying aerospace engineering, and working at Lockheed Martin is really beneficial for my education and my career path.
I'm an apprentice mechanical aircraft maintenance engineer here at Sikorsky. The people here are just really good people. They're always making sure I'm getting the right mentoring.
The mentoring here has been amazing. Everyone is willing to help, no matter what trade you are.
Lots of people willing to support me and help me in any way they could. I haven't had a friendlier work environment.
Our corporate values of do what's right, respect others and perform with excellence flow through all the things and the actions that we do on a day-to-day basis. And the culture is all about the people that work here.
Culture at Lockheed Martin is exceptional. Helping everyone across Lockheed Martin and also the Australian Defence Force is really great. So I've got the greatest garage known to man, and it is probably the greatest sight to see every single day.
There are so many cool aspects to my job.
Being able to work on military aircraft that no one else really gets to do.
It's amazing seeing them fly after all the work we've put into them.
We take our work seriously, but we definitely have fun doing it.
The work-life balance here is great. It's a 4-day working week, which allows me to go surfing and fishing and do all the things that I want to do.
The best thing about being on the south coast is the beaches. There's lots of great people down here and nice close parks. The snow's not far, the city's not far. Everything is within half an hour.
It's a really nice location in Newcastle.
I grew up in Newcastle, being by beach all the time, so going for surf before and after work is a thing I love to do.
We have access to vineyards all around the Hunter region and very short travel distance to go to Sydney.
It is amazing working with a diverse team and the opportunities they've provided.
I have quite an extensive set of career opportunities. My ultimate dream is that I will be the leader of a systems administration support team.
My vision for my career with Lockheed Martin Australia is to become an engineering project manager.
My career aspirations are working myself up to team lead or leading hand.
I see that career going towards the space industry that's developing in Australia.
Learning and development with Sikorsky Australia and Lockheed Martin is pivotal in a person's career.
We've been contributing to Australia's defence and national security for over 70 years.
Lockheed Martin Australia is always looking for the most innovative, creative and curious minds to join our team.
It's the best spot you can start with your career.